I know I was supposed to do a human hair, a quick weave blend with my natural hair, or partial quick weave, whatever you want to call it. I know I was supposed to do that, but as you can see, this is my hair, the color and stuff. And it's 33, but it's just, look at the ends of my hair. The ends stay black. And I left it on for 45 minutes. Washed it out, saw that my ends was black, and tried to put it on again for like another 15-20 minutes. It did not turn. So if y'all know what I could have done, let me know. But I think it would have went well with the 33. Not precise, but it would have went well. But unfortunately it didn't come out right. I only did this section of my hair, so that's okay. I will be back black. But I have this picture, and I'm wearing a 33 on here, and this was 2004 when I was 14 or whatever. And many of y'all probably don't know about this hairstyle, but this is New Orleans, and I think that I looked it cute with the number 33 or whatever. But I was younger, and that was my hair done, not a, you know, invisible part. But what I'm gonna do is, I have my hair ready to do the invisible part or whatever, and I just have to put the gel on it in my teddy tie or scrunchie, whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna get it ready and show y'all how I make the paper stick. Because when I do my invisible part, I use paper and I use a stocking cap, and I will tell y'all why. But stay tuned, let me get ready and I'll be right back. Okay, I am done. As you can see, my hair is in a side ponytail. I put my hair in a ponytail to the side because when you lay on the back of your head, you don't want to be laying on that knot. So that's how I do mine. But mine is to the side a little bit. And as you can see, it's in a ponytail, but I gelled my ponytail up like that, and it comes all the way up here. So the longer your hair is, you will want to take it very low as you can. Take it as low as you can. And this is my part, and I have a lot of gel. I don't know if you can see how wet it looks. You want it to look wet like that, and you know, gel, clean it up. Everything gel, even the ponytail, and spray a little, pump it up. And this is Jumbo Ends wrap. It's like, I hate to say it, but it look like, you know, when you roll your weed up in white paper. It look like that. But I mean, I do this so much, so yeah. You just grab some out of the box or whatever, and hold on, let me get some. Just grab it out the box, and you start from the back. And I'm gonna put mine in the back right here on a ponytail. And you see, you press it down, and it sticks. Let me do one more in the back. You take it, you put it on your hair. Keep them close together because you don't want no gaps. And you just put it on and press it down, and it sticks. Oh Lord, I'm dropping it, but that's all you do. Just put it on, and let me do one in the front. A paper, and you put it on. You know, put it close together. You press it down, and it sticks. That's it. That's all you do, and it sticks like that. And you know, you fill your whole head up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop like right here with the paper, because you want to leave room for that glue to stick and that stocking cap. And I'm going to come like about right here, and I'm gonna stop about back here, and that's it. That's how you do that. And when you're finished, make sure it's pressed down, spray pump it up, sit under the dryer, let it air dry or let it blow dry, either one, whatever you want to do, and that's it. And from there you put your stocking cap on, do your hair. And I'm not going to show y'all a video how I'm doing my hair. What I will do is finish my paper, let it dry, put my stocking cap on, and I will be back to show y'all the number 33 invisible part. So stay tuned, because after this it will be pictures and then the invisible part. So stay tuned. And the reason I do use paper is because my hair will be hard and the paper is on there for protection from glue. So it's double protection. The paper, when it seeps through the stocking cap, you know, when you put the glue on the stocking cap, the glue, you know, seeps through the stocking cap a little bit, and it will stick to the paper, not my hair. So that way when it's time to take the invisible part off, I take the top off and take the whole stocking cap off, and it comes off with the paper. That way no glue is on my hair at all. Very, very good. I don't do that. I don't care how hard you get your hair. You put that glue on your hair, that's wraps. No. So I'm always use paper. That's what I do. That's what I like to do. That's the best way to do it, I promise you. But that's why I do it, you know, for extra protection. And as y'all can see, I'm doing it or whatever, and that's how you do that. Press it down. So I have a little bit more to go, like another piece right here, another piece here, and that's it. I'm gonna let it dry. Y'all stay tuned for pictures next and a review. So stay tuned for part 2.